Hey, everybody, and happy Halloween. I can't believe it. Every time I come here and do a show at Mom's house, I say, I can't believe that it's already, here, I can't believe that it's already Halloween. And I'm lucky to have my Aunt Peggy sitting right across from me, watching me work. So that gives me an audience and also a critic and also a helper. So if I do anything wrong, Aunt Peggy, correct me.
I will, but you are a winner.
Do you? Thank you so much. Do you like Halloween?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Me too. So here's one for the kids. Candy corn is a big favorite amongst the kiddies and some adults. Also marshmallows, also Rice Krispies. So this is going to be, like I said, one for the kids. So I'm starting by melting a half stick butter. And my butter is melted. And to that, I'm going to add a 10-ounce package of marshmallows. We'll melt them down. That shouldn't take too long. But it might take long enough to get one break in. So let's take a little break while I melt the marshmallows and then come back and we'll finish it all in one fell swoop. The marshmallows are melting very, very nicely. So that's marshmallows, butter. We'll add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of vanilla. Okay. All right, perfect. I'll stir in the vanilla and the salt. Go ahead and turn my heat totally off. Wow. If you got a sweet tooth, this is going to cure it. Or at least feed it. Aunt Peggy, do you have a sweet tooth?
No, not really.
No.
I do. I shouldn't say that.
No, not really, no. And then she said, well, I shouldn't really say that. I don't have one either, but I shouldn't say it either, Aunt Peggy, because I really do. All right, so the marshmallows, butter, vanilla, salt, looks great. I'm gonna fold in some Rice Krispies. Snap, crackle, and pop. Okay, and my candy corn, which I chopped up. And I found out, that was the first time I've ever done that in my life, chopped candy corn. I found out that candy corn crumbles. Doesn't really chop very well, it crumbles. All right, so let's fold. Wow, that is so thick. Whoa, check that out. That is, whoo. This is like a science experiment. Man, barely stir it. That means it's going to taste great. The kids are going to like this. I think the adults might like it too. Peggy, you like Rice Krispies? Rice Krispie treats, do you? Okay. All right. Well, I got it right here, baby. Okay. Wow. Let's see how this does. I've got a greased bacon dish over here. Baking, not bacon. Baking dish over there. And I'm gonna try to get it. Let's see what happens. Oh yeah.
You got it.
I do got it.
You got it.
There's another familiar voice. So I got Aunt Peggy and
I know it. How about that? Your audience today.
my mom. All the ladies.
Great.
All the ladies. And Teresa too. I'm in good company here.
Yep.
No men in the room except for me. Even the dog is a girl. All right.
I love, those are one of my favorites.
You like Rice Krispie treats?
Yes. I love them.
Well, these are Halloween themed. They've got candy corn in them,
Even better.
marshmallows,
If you want to get a piece of wax paper out of our
and
drawer
press down on it.
and press it down, that might be easier. Do you know where the wax paper sheets are?
Why don't you come get it for me?
Okay, I'll be happy to.
Wow, these are going to be so good. So I'm going to use a piece of wax paper and just kind of gently press. A lot of good this wax paper did. It's sticking just as bad as anything else. Thanks for the tip. Thanks for the tip, Paula Deen.
I'm sorry, spray your wax paper.
Nice direction.
So it will
Too late. I didn't spray it because you gave it to me unsprayed. And look at this mess. Thanks for the tip.
yeah, just spray your piece of
Tip from Paula Deen. Use a piece of parchment paper and waxment paper, and it won't stick. The disgust on his face right now. I had it. Everything was perfect until you came in the room. Now, y'all wonder why you haven't seen my Aunt Peggy. I'm sparing my Aunt Peggy the camera because I came over here early today and started doing all this cooking. And these chicks are sitting around in their pajamas. So if you could see what's happening on the other side of the camera, everybody's in PJs, just waiting on me to finish the food. Hurry it up, dummy, because we want some Rice Krispie treats. So that's it. All we got to do is let them cool. And once they do, we'll cut them into squares and y'all can eat. So thanks, Aunt Peggy, for being with me today.
I love it. I'll be back.
I hope so. I loved you being here. Mama, thanks for your help. Teresa, thanks.
Okay, I forgot to tell you to spray the wax paper.
Happy fall, y'all. See you next time.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.